Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, find a north-facing window or stand outdoors in soft shade, because daylight shows true undertones. Once positioned, remove makeup and wear a neutral top so your skin reads honestly. This prevents color bias. Make sure you have 10-12 fabric drapes including true white and black, plus warm and cool neutrals and colorful swatches. Begin by comparing white versus black against your face to see contrast level, and note whether your skin looks clearer with cool or warm fabrics. Now refine the data. Place cool and warm drapes alternately against your jawline, and observe how each makes your skin, eyes, and teeth respond. Once done, assess contrast by looking at hair, eye, and skin differences. High contrast people can wear bolder combinations, while low contrast needs softer pairings. Make sure to perform the vein and jewelry test. Blue veins and silver favor cool, green veins and gold favor warm. Record which colors brighten your face and which make it recede. Finish by narrowing to 6 to 8 go-to colors that consistently brighten your complexion. Pick 2 neutrals, 1 strong accent, and 1 highlight shade for contrast. Once done, make a simple digital swatch or mood board and photograph outfits and makeup in daylight to validate choices. If results confuse you, troubleshoot by comparing side-by-side photos, asking a trusted friend, or retesting at a different time of day. Skin tone can look different with fatigue or seasonal changes, so
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.